Justice, what you guys doing? What you guys are doing, Justice? Justice.
Ooh, I see one!
Whoa.
Where?
Up there!
Okay, go get it.
You want to go get it?
Go, Justin, go get it.
There.
Go get it.
No, he's gonna get it for me because I found it first.
Who is that? Who's getting it?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Let's try it.
It's actually down. There, throw it down.
Catch it or it'll break. Ah, whoa, good catch.
Lisa, you can share some of yours with Justin because you don't want mine.
No, I don't want.
You don't want hers?
No, I don't want.
Okay.
Do we have them all, do you think?
I'm trying to get America's Funniest Home Video right now.
What, him breaking a branch?
Well, you'll have to ask Uncle Derek if it's all because I don't know where.
Justice! Justice, come over here. Well, at least you show your eggs. Let me see your eggs. Well, it sounds like a lot of money in there.